this shit on, man. Screw it, guys. We're back with a new video. I'm a little nervous. I don't know why. I feel a little nervous. But today we are back with another video. I know it's been a couple weeks. This composition is trash. I'm gonna be talking far. I don't know if it's loud enough or not. But we finally got a new mod. Little lights here and there, you know what I'm saying? But it took a little longer to get here because I actually don't know why. But it did take a little longer to get here. So the video is coming out this following week. It is March 18th, I think. 18th. And I should be playing Community Day, Pokemon Go, but instead here I am installing this damn freaking light that I got. So today we are installing a brand new fourth brake light. I'm talking this way when it's this way. A brand new fourth brake light for the BRZ. We have it right over here. It's pretty big. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it looks like. But this thing is freaking clean, man. I'm so glad that I bought it. Totally worth it. I don't know why I'm not looking. I'm like all the way up here and you can't even see my face. But totally worth it. It's kind of weird because I'm like bending over. I'm a little slunched, little sloped up, low key, because the composition is ass, and I'm mounting the camera on the tripod instead of holding it like I usually do. But we're gonna do this quick, simple, easy install. And if I don't know how, Kevin Vo, I know he got me, so we're watching a video from him. But I know I can do it. It's probably really simple. But let me go ahead and open up the brake light so I can show you guys what it looks like. By the way, if you guys don't know, the fourth brake light is this one that this one that we are replacing. Kind of zoomed in a little bit. This one, this ugly, super ugly fourth brake light. We're gonna go ahead and open it. I mean, I have it open. I just gotta show you guys what it looked like. But let me open it real quick, or show you guys what it looks like. And we're gonna open this, and then I saw in the video we're gonna remove this, and then the wire go here, go here, connect, boom, boom, bolt, boom, 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 and then finish. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, we set it up better. It looks way better this way. I don't look too far, I don't look too close. You know what I'm saying? But, let me go ahead and finish opening this up. If you already opened, or remove the tape at least. So get out of the way. It's a box within a box, bro. Are you kidding me? Ugh. I just got a haircut too, bro. Damn, this thing is in there. The box is now empty, my friends. And now this is the other. Oh. So that fell. Don't matter, we don't need it. This is the light's in here, bro. So I'm gonna have to reopen it again. Just give me a second, you know what I'm saying? So we got the instruction right here, bro. You don't really see me, but we got the instruction. Let me open this. Hopefully it's plug and play, so I don't have to do anything stupid. So guys, we have the two pieces that we need here. This is the cable that's going to be running through the back of the, well, basically the back of the bumper where the light's supposed to be at and stuff. And then here is the plug and play that goes to the tail light and the actual light. We have the light right here. We're going to set this right over here. We got this bad boy right here, bro. Look at it, look at it. Yep. I went with the OLM kind of look, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what that means, bro. But we got the light right here, man. Super clean. They put it the right way. It looks super dope. It has a bunch of features on it. I think these, you know, mumbo jumbo. I don't know. But we'll show you what it looks like when it's on. But we do have the wire that's in the back right over here that connects to the harness. That's right there that we're going to run through right now. But it's simple. We got clear today because we're going with the clear look, man. I want to get clear taillights too. While we're waiting on the manufacturers to hurry up and finish producing them so we can go ahead and put them on the damn car. But until then, let me go ahead and open this. Or, well, we see it now. I just need to go ahead and open up the car. We do have the, I don't know what size bolts these are, but we have the two bolts that we're going to have to plug in or remove from there that are going to go in here and it's going to hold it up. But I'm going to have to open this real quick at the bottom so we can start routing it. And then we're going to see how it really looks like, man. I'm really excited. All clear lands, bro. White too. White on black is gonna look crazy. Plus, it's gonna match my white wheels a little bit better. And I don't know, we just needed some white on it, man. We just needed some white on it. But let me go ahead and start installing this so we can look and see how it works, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why. But we'll be back. Alright, guys. Now that we're on the floor with the BRZ, all we really have to remove are these four little clips that are holding this little plastic frame that's right over here. Let me go ahead and show you guys a little bit. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at YouTube. But there's like plastic right here that's like an outline. All this is removable. I just got rid of the clips underneath, and then we'll open it, and then we'll remove the bolts that are here holding the lights. Well, basically here where the covers are. And then I know I'm gonna have to open my trunk soon too to figure out the wiring, but for now, let me just go ahead and take these off, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And the worst part about doing this is all I got, bruh. Little trash ass little screwdriver that I have, but from MSI, man. If you know about gaming computers, you know what that is, man. Let me remove these real quick. Hopefully, it should be a little easier. Okay, guys, just for sample reference, this is what the clip looks like. Let me stand up so I don't look stupid. Damn, my teeth look white. Damn, shit's yellow for real. But anyway, this is what the clips look like for reference. Hopefully, it stops focusing on me. These are what's holding the little plastic frame up with the bumper. So we just need 3 more to go, and then I'll show you what it looks like, man. 3 clips are really holding it up, so let me just pop this off. Damn, I don't want to break the seat. Nope, I lied. I'm scared to break it, but there is like hinges. That's what's holding it. There we go. So there is like these corner hinges that are on the plastic piece that hold on to these on the side over here. Well, this side, I guess I can show you better on this side. Oops, sorry. On this side over here, there's like little plastic or like an open hole that holds these little hinges. Oops. Hinges here. So there's that. Now we just have to remove the little screws that are on it.
How is it going, guys? Today we have got another worth it episode.
Guys, if you're not a fucking mechanic, don't do anything, bro. I timed it by accident, and boop, there it went. But we got one off. Now I know which way not to go. But for the most part, even with just one on, it's not gonna move because that plastic frame is gonna hold it anyway. So that doesn't seem like it's a big deal. I guess it is, but nothing too crazy. Opa! Por eso no me dejas solo, man. You just wiggle this off, and there we go. It's loose. Just gotta remove this. Hold on. No, ya lo quité. That's why you don't let me by myself, dude. Look.
¿Pistas?
Pero eso no voy a usar porque tengo la otra luz. Pero digo, por eso no me dejas solo.
Cámara, videos. Digo, YouTube.
No, YouTube. Lo debo dejar con los profesionales mejor. Guys, if you ever need to install something or need help, please don't fucking ask me, bro. This is all I gotta say, man. This is all I gotta say, bro. Alright, you motherfuckers. According to Kevin Vo, we just pull this thing and boom, it comes out. Reveals these 2 10mm bolts, I think. Is it 10? It might be 10. And then there should be another one somewhere up here. So we have to take off, and then we'll be able to move this and run the wires and shit like that. Yeah, my Crocs on sports mode. Yeah, dude. I couldn't freaking get it. Alright, guys, so we removed the light, bro. Fucking piece of mierda. We got it out, bro. For sale, $10. If you guys need it, let me know. I broke it already, too. The guy just said to wiggle it off, and that's what we did. We just wiggled that shit off. We just do. It came out. This was a freaking pain in the ass if you haven't removed it once before. So, highly advise if you have someone else to hold it. So when you pull it, you don't break anything or pull anything. But we gotta run this little cable down here to go down here to go to the other light, and we'll be done. There you go, baby. So put it back in here. And push this freaking shitty ass light back in. Go in here? No way it's gonna fit like this. No way, vato loco. No way it's gonna fit like this, vato loco. Honestly, if you guys know what kind of freaking tools to use, please recommend some, because I'm borrowing all my dad's tools and I don't know what the fuck is good or not. It closed, it didn't break. Shit. Wait. I think it always looked like that. Shit. Let's hope so. Let's hope it always looked like that. And let's hope it turned on. Shit.
That's crazy.
Where's my llave? I need my key.
Yeah, it's right here, but it does turn on.
I'm not a fucking electrician, bro.
Yes, it's on.
Is it doing something cool?
It's red.
Motherfucker.
Oh, there you go. It's going like this. It like turns on red, white, red, white, red, white.
Dang. Okay, what about this? On?
Yes, the flash is white.
Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when it's done. It's fully on. This shit looks sexy as hell. It's gonna be a quick ending of the video, but this is the last piece. I'm gonna show you how the lights turn on. They flash in the center when I hold the brake. You can switch it on and off, the little thing that you turn on your lights. You flick it 3 times and it'll go solid. But because I'm in a rush, I cannot show you, unfortunately. I'm gonna show you anyway. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. But it also flashes white in the center. When you're reversing, the top bar animation has like when it turns on the light and stuff. But it does look pretty sick. I love it. I'll leave a link if you guys are interested. I get no % off, but if you're interested to get one for yourself, by all means, go ahead. It looks super clean now. Super excited to get white tail lights now. This shit looks sexy. But again, let me just turn it on so I can show you guys what it looks like. Oh, oh, oh. Did it turn on? Chee! So that's the animation that it looks like when it's turning on, guys. But that is going to be the end of the video because I got to watch this shit and get ready to go to the car meet. I'll probably record the car meet. I'm not too sure. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like if you guys did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.